Ready to dive into the exciting world of pocket option trading? Let's get you started with your first deposit using a credit or debit card, making sure it's smooth and secure. First things first, log into your pocket option account. Once you're in, navigate to the finance section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, or within the main menu. Click on deposit. You'll see a variety of payment methods. For this tutorial, we're focusing on card payments, so select the Visa or MasterCard option, depending on your card type. Now, choose the amount you want to deposit. Pocket option typically has preset amounts, but you can also enter a custom amount. Keep in mind the minimum deposit, which is usually around $50, but may vary. Also be sure to check any available deposit bonuses, which can give your trading capital a boost. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your card details: card number, expiry date, and CVV code found on the back of your card. Double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any transaction issues. Pocket option uses secure encryption to protect your financial information, indicated by the padlock icon. Depending on your bank, you may be required to verify your transaction through 3D Secure, which could involve a one-time password sent to your phone or email. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Once the verification is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating your deposit was successful. The funds will usually appear in your pocket option account almost instantly, but in rare cases, it may take a few minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully made your first deposit using your card. Now you're ready to explore the platform, analyze the markets, and start placing trades. Happy trading, and remember to manage your risk responsibly.